So Todd, to rejuvenate matted down Alcantara, wash with water with lemon juice, but do you use like any brass brushes or like how do you bring the nap back?
Sure, definitely not a brass brush.
Okay.
Horsehair brushes are really good for that. But again, with Alcantara, they have on their website cleaning procedures. They even have like a weekly, yearly maintenance type of thing, like you do waxing your car as well. So yes, horsehair brush, some water, a little bit of lemon, but keep it clean, keep the oils off of that. Even if it's just after a quick track day, wipe it down with a microfiber towel with some water on it, and then let it dry completely. And then from there, a nice horsehair brush to bring that nap back without agitating it too much.